Health Watch. If a loved one seems to withdraw from social situations, it may not be out of fear. It may simply be hearing loss. One SLUCare doctor says tests can help save lives and quality of life. Kim Hudson is on the Health Watch.
SLUCare audiologist Dr. Dave Harris says denial often keeps those with gradual hearing loss from getting tested, despite some undeniable symptoms.
You may not notice that you're asking people to repeat, and then your television started to get a little bit louder.
Infection or autoimmune diseases can cause sudden hearing loss.
We're social beings, and once you can't socialize, then we no longer enjoy life.
Dr. Harris says this may even worsen mood disorders and cognition. So he stresses hearing tests are one of the least invasive procedures a patient can have. He adds not everyone will need hearing aids, but those who do not regret getting the devices.
I've had patients who would say, you know, I didn't even know my clock even ticked. I've had patients come in and say, you know what, without these hearing aids, I would have heard the mountain lions when I was walking my dog.
So Dr. Harris says hearing tests can be life-saving. On the Health Watch, I'm Kim Hudson.